Always thinks that they're spending too much or paying too much, and it's a bad idea. All right, very last question I have for you. Would you invest in a haunted house? And if so, how would you manage it?
Ooh.
What the hell?
That's a good question.
I would not.
People thought it was haunted.
There might be a premium, I'm assuming, for charging people to stay.
That would be an interesting property. I mean, I think it would cash flow great.
I'd buy a haunted house because my daughter loves all things scary. She's 12 years old, and I would just have her manage it.
I think it would be easy to market. There's all kinds of horror fans out there. I mean, I think I would probably turn it into a short-term rental.
I'd say, Sophie, this is your chance. There's a haunted house for sale, and I'm willing to buy it, but you have to manage it.
You know, people come to New Orleans because they want to go on graveyard tours. So there's a market for people who want to stay in a haunted house.
Gosh, I am very afraid of ghosts and spirits and all that. I know it's a lot of that going on here in New Orleans.
I don't think I would ever personally, because I am scared of ghosts and haunted houses, and I never want to live in a haunted house.
A haunted house? Have you ever bought a haunted house?
I myself haven't, but I haven't had the opportunity to.
If you had one,
I like how you flip this around to try to figure out what I'm going to do with it.
David Greene, would you buy one?
Well, I probably have, depending.
I mean, I could argue that some of our properties are haunted.
I would not be there myself.
So you can stay there for one night only. I don't want the shining going on in my house.